Hello and welcome back to ticker symbol INY Invest in Yourself YouTube channel. Hello, all of you beautiful angels of planet Earth. How are we doing? So, let's take a look at the SPY today. We had a small green day with a little bit of volume, nothing crazy, to back up these two big bearish days in a row. We came from a high of 293 3 days ago to now close at 283, and we've gotten as low as 280.74. So pretty nice range there in the last 3 days. So I kind of was expecting some kind of bullish little run just to fill up what's been going on with all the bearish activity. You could really see it on the hourly that we were a little overextended here, and the most likely scenario was that we pulled back a little bit, especially since we really are, if you just look at the hourly, we're still bullish right now. We're still going up. I won't be biased to the bear side until I see a break of here of 274. So that's the line I'm paying attention to right now. So if we do some kind of like this and then continue lower down past that, that is when I will start taking bearish trades. But for now, buy the dip, hope it goes up, and that's exactly what we did today. I'll show you real quick the trade I made, and for a nice 2.3R profit. So first two candles came in, big bearish candle, another bearish candle, and then beautiful hammer. Simple trade. Just don't hesitate. Get in bullish above that hammer. Put a stop loss a little below that hammer. And we went. I sold some of my position right here because this was a pretty good resistance line if you take it back over here. So I wanted to make sure I secured some of my gains and took some of my risk off the table, and I could just kind of watch it for the rest of the day. And we did. I ended up getting psyched out a little bit because we hit resistance there, we hit it pretty much there, couldn't get past it, hit it again, and we're coming up on the close at the end of the day. So I put a stop right below here because I thought, my thinking was, okay, if we don't go higher from here, then I don't think we're gonna break this level today. And what do you know, I get stopped out on this wick right there. That little guy right there stopped me out. It was still a 2.3R win, but it's hard to watch that happen after being stopped out, after patiently waiting all day. But hey, you move on, go to the next trade. A win is a win. I am happy. We'll move on. So the SPY for the next few days, maybe another little gap up tomorrow, followed by a fade. This is, if I had to draw a prediction, it'd be something like this. I'm looking for some kind of bullish activity coming in and then get rejected to go down. That's kind of what I'm expecting, but we could just hey, whatever, just go higher. Don't matter. Market doesn't care. Market doesn't have to make sense. You just go with where it's going. Just follow the trend. Alright, so let's look at some more. Let's look at Square. We had a very strong day. If we look at the 5-minute, like, oh my god. Like, which bearish candle do you get in above, Oh my gee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bullish candles to start the day. That is just, if you were waiting for a pullback on this one today, you just didn't get it. So you either got in at the open and made a killing, or I don't know, you just bought into all this bullish activity like an absolute madman and still made money. Congratulations. It was a wild day for Square, and we are working still above that trend line, so we're gonna be squeezing up close to it here soon, so I'm gonna be keeping an eye out on this to see what it's gonna do. But we are working ourselves out of that channel. Yeah, looks like right now this is kind of the old resistance is the new support, so I'd like to see let's just continue going higher, something like that. Use the top of this as a new support. Once it breaks it, that would be a very, very healthy move on Square. So let's take a look at AMD, and whew, I actually tried trading AMD today on a pullback, but I was just a little too slow, a little too hesitant. I tried getting in on this candle, waiting for a pullback of the first candle about midway. If I was about 5 minutes earlier, I would have crushed this trade, but didn't get it, and that's what led me to take my SPY trade, which still went well, so it's okay. But that would have been a gorgeous trade today. And like we said in the last video yesterday, I was looking for a bounce up right here. I'd have loved to. I had an order in on Friday to pick up AMD at 49. We missed it by 9 cents. 49.09. And look at that, almost a shaved bottom and almost a shaved top. That is incredible. But as I mentioned yesterday in the video, look at all these bearish candles in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bearish candles in a row. So we can just keep going higher. I would just buy any dip on this right now. That's very good support right there. I think we're at least going to be coming up to the 57, 58, retesting that. So keep an eye on it. Buy a dip if you can. We'll see where it heads. Let's take a look at Zoom. I just entered Zoom today. Got in right above this candle with a stop right below it. Buy the dip. This one's been going against the market, so my thoughts were, hey, sorry guys, let me get this in so you can see. So yeah, that's my trade on this one. But yeah, buy the dip. We're in a bullish trend going up, and if it continues doing what it does, hopefully we could see a new high again, snag a nice gain off of this. And that was my similar thinking with TDOC. We got a nice dip on TDOC, got in above those candles right there with a limit order, and I put my stop right there. I didn't go quite below there, but still feel alright about this trade. So those are my two setups right now, Zoom and TDOC. So hopefully those work out well. If not, hey, I know my risk, it's okay. And then last but not least, Roku with a shaved top, an unreal run again, just like AMD today. Another one I was looking pre-market at getting in, similar to Square. It just took off and just didn't care. But a lot of these were just filling gaps that happened the week prior. If we look at a lot of this, AMD, same thing, just filling it. Tesla did it as well, starting to fill it. Square's just starting this bullish trend. I like this. This is another trend line we could kind of draw right here. Be watching that. But yeah, just very interesting day in the market. Very interested to see where we're gonna head next. It's gonna be amazing. Every day is amazing in this market. It's fun to trade. It's fun to be here, fun to be a part of it. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, you want me to review anything, please let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe, hit that like button, and thank you all for rocking with me. We'll see you in the next one.